Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to the Apple ID that holds your backup before you begin. Check settings to confirm a recent iCloud or computer backup and note its size and date. Make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi with a strong signal and connected to power. Verify you have at least 20% battery if power is briefly interrupted. If restoring from a computer, update iTunes or Finder and connect with a certified Lightning cable. Erase your iPhone to reach the iOS setup screen for restoration. On the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from Mac or PC. Sign in with the Apple ID and choose the backup by date and size to download. Enter any device passcodes and Apple ID verification codes when requested. Allow the download to complete without closing Wi-Fi or disconnecting the cable from your device. After the initial restore finishes, your apps and media will continue to download. Large backups or slow networks can extend this process for several hours. Check that contacts, photos, messages, and health data match your expectations when downloads complete. Reinstall any missing apps from the App Store and update iOS to the latest version if prompted. Finally, reconfigure Face ID or Touch ID and sign back into services like mail, messages, and banking apps for full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.